Creating a backup of your lead data is a must thing. And here I wanted that whenever I received a new lead through any of my ad, then instantly that lead data is saved in my Google Sheets as a new row so that none of my leads get missed and I have a backup for the same. So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this backup of lead data using this amazing automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code for you. By using this discount code, you can get a special discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business that to full lifetime because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first, and for that we're going to click on this Create Workflow button. Here you can see two options. One is Create from the scratch and the other one is Create using AI. So we're going to click on this Create from scratch and it is asking for the workflow builder. You can see two options. One is your beta version and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a Create Workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says automatically backup lead data in real time. And for the folder we are going to click on this drop down menu and here you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can create and select it as per your requirement. And now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is the response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I am receiving new leads through LinkedIn ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as LinkedIn, but you can select the lead gen application as per your requirement. Then for the app event, we are going to select lead notifications and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, we are going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. Here you can see it is asking for the account credentials. So I have already pre-filled over here and then we're going to click on the sign in. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for the sponsored account. So to get the account, let me take you to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager. And here you can see the account that I have with the name Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager, and here I've already drafted a test campaign inside which I've created a test lead form. So using this form, we are going to generate the test lead. Alright, we are going to click on the supply now. And here you can see it is asking us to add the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot change them. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form, but if you're running a live lead form, then your lead will be able to add all the details. Alright, we are going to add the email address as test@pabblytudes.com. Here we're going to add a random phone number. And here these details are going to remain the same. So we're going to click on the submit and it says information sent to Pabbly. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received the details, we are going to add these details inside our Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, we are going to add an action step over here, and here we're going to select action application as Google Sheets. For the app event, we are going to select add a new row, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection as well. Alright, we're going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So here I already have a spreadsheet with the name leads. So I'm going to select the same spreadsheet from the drop down, and here for the sheet I'm going to select sheet as one. Then here it is asking for these details. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that I'm going to receive a new lead through a LinkedIn ad. Instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the first name, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we're going to search for the first name. Then here we're going to map the last name. Now here we're going to map the email address. Here we're going to map the phone number. And lastly, we're going to map the company name. Alright, now after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the new detail inside our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it, and you can see instantly a new data has been added. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as LinkedIn ads and our action as Google Sheets, so that we're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn ads. Instantly that data is added inside our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how to automatically back up the lead data in real time. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.